It's already 10,000. Looking at the odometer, and that is something that I need to send for maintenance. And according to the service, the tire service mileage is 10,000. It recommends me to go for a tire rotation. Go to Tesla Cyberjaya. Yeah. So here I am at the Tesla service center at Cyberjaya. So I think I still have some time. We just get to the place. Right, I think I'll need to drop off here later on, but I think I'll just move around first and check out other areas in this Cyberjaya HQ. I think that's where I pick up my car, behind there. And let's check out behind. Yeah, I just want to remember back where I get my car from. Yeah, I think it's behind here. That's where all the cars are. I think these are the ones that are coming, the customers that are coming to pick up the cars. So, alright. So this is where we pick up our cars. Look at that. Those are the Teslas. A lot of Model Y. These are the new cars which don't have any numbers yet. These are available. Yeah, some are already there waiting to look at the new cars. Looking at the new cars, yeah, it's pretty cool. That was 6 months ago for me. Okay, so apparently the service center is behind here. There's no sign or whatever to tell me that the service center entrance is over here. So it's my first time here anyway. So yeah, there you go. Tesla service center. So someone will attend to me, and I think there are multiples Tesla chargers here as well. So this is Tesla service center, and my car is parked right in front. And I do think there are people using this destination chargers to charge them, but I think they will just move my car away in a short while. So yeah, let's get in. Yeah. So after coming into the Tesla service, I was inside there. I needed to tell them the plate number, then give them my key card, and I would need to wait until 2:30. Yeah, now it's about 12, so about 2.5 hours. There are so many people inside, I do not want to talk in there. And since I already parked here in front of the destination charger, you know, meaning that it's going to be sitting here for quite a while, so might as well just charge. Yeah, so many Teslas here waiting. And yeah, so basically I did ask them what else is being done, you know, when they rotate my tires. They just check on the bushing and they'll check on the suspension, that's all. Yeah. And I've asked them whether they will be doing any, you know, plug-ins to check on the computer itself, anything wrong with the car. They said the car will tell me if there's anything wrong, so there's no checking on no checking on the computer. Yeah, after 6 months, yeah, of using my car, about 10,400 kms, I think the tire still looks okay, but it's recommended to rotate my tires in 10,000. So here I am. The reason why I want them to rotate the tires for me is also because I want them to see what's wrong with the car, you know, underneath the because I have gone through some bumps and hit them, scratch them. So if they jack up and they see something wrong, at least they will let me know, right? So I think I'll be here for another 2 hours plus, so might as well just go in there and take some coffee and refreshments. So there's a coffee machine here, very nice, capsules for Nescafe, and some biscuits as well. This is nice, I need this. cup is with Tesla. Okay, how do I take this? Use two hands for this. Okay, let's make myself a cup of coffee and just get either one. I don't know which is which anyway. So I think I'll just go for Americano. Hey, my car is gone and I think they have already bring it into the service center. It's just about 10 minutes coming in. And I think this is their Giga factory. And there are some accessories shown in this area. So this machine here from 3M, I think it's for you to test your tints. And there's a place for you to scan for free Wi-Fi. So you got free Wi-Fi, a big TV that only shows Tesla ads, cookies, coffees, and even some canned drinks over there, and of course water and toilet. So I made a payment using my credit card inside the service center. Why are they talking so loud? Okay, so I got it. It's fully cleaned for me as well. Yeah. So they told me that I can charge it at the supercharger for free. Not really for free, but they will waive it for me later. So I'm just going to drive it to the supercharger and let it charge. Okay, I just wait in the car while charging. I think it just take me about 15 minutes to fully charge it. So over here, if I go to my service, see that tire service mileage, I think it's already done. Okay. Then they make sure that all my tire pressure are the same. So I chose to have my tire rotation and balancing to be done in Tesla Service Center. That's because they also help me to clean the carpet, interior, exterior. So that's nice, and also free supercharging. So that's kind of cool, yeah. Another reason why I wanted to do it here as well is because this is official Tesla, yeah, from Tesla Service Center, and it's actually 100 ringgit more than doing it outside. I've actually asked the price if I were to do it in a normal tire workshop. It's about 40 ringgit, and in Tesla I need to pay about 150, so that's about 110 difference. But I get to charge the car over here as well as get my car cleaned, so that's worth about 50 ringgit, I think. And most importantly, I want them to take a look at my car underneath. They told me that it's scratched, so I asked them, is there any problem with that? Then they said no, it's just scratch. So okay, I think that should be good enough. Okay, as a conclusion, I came around 11:30 and now it's like 3:22. I'm still charging. Of course I can just leave without charging, but it's free charging anyway in my it's free supercharger, so why not use it, right? But it's close to 3:30 now. In actual fact, the actual work is just about 30 minutes. Yeah, most of the time it's just waiting. In fact, they did send me an SMS around 1:30 that the car is already done. but it was just, you know, lying around, I think waiting for cleaning. Yeah, it's very cleaned, yeah, but it's just a bit too long to wait for that. So I do hope that Tesla Malaysia can do something about it. Yeah, it's just the waiting time is just too long for basic rotating tires and balancing. Yeah, close to 4 hours I've been in here. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I think it's done soon. Bye.